In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert or select a text box and customize it to your liking in no time. Whether you're working on a presentation or just trying to spruce up a document, customizing text boxes can really make your content pop. Let's dive into this process so you can master it in just a few simple steps. First, if you haven't already added a text box to your document, you'll need to do that. Navigate to the Insert tab on the menu ribbon at the top of your screen. From there, select Text Box, and you'll see options to either choose a predefined style or draw your own. If you decide to draw your own, simply click and drag your mouse to create the text box size that suits your needs. It's pretty straightforward, even if you're new to this. Now, if you already have a text box in your document, the next step is to select it. To do this, click on the border of your text box. Clicking on the border ensures you're selecting the text box itself, not just the text inside it. This is crucial because editing options for formatting are only available when the text box is actually selected. Once your text box is selected, you'll notice a new tab appear on the ribbon. It's called Shape Format, or sometimes just Format. This tab is your go-to for all things related to formatting your shapes and text boxes. When you open it, look for the section marked Shape Styles. Inside this group, you'll see the Shape Fill option. This is where you can alter the background of your text box to match your creative vision. Click on Shape Fill and explore the array of color options. If you have a specific color in mind that isn't listed, click on More Fill Colors. This will open up a spectrum that lets you fine-tune and select the perfect custom color for your project. Moreover, if you're interested in adding more flair to your text box, there are additional effects at your disposal. Return to the Shape Fill option and explore gradients, pictures, or even textures. This added personalization can really take your text design to the next level. After you've finalized your fill color and effects, click somewhere outside the text box. This simply helps you exit the editing mode, so you can view your changes in their entirety within the context of the whole document. Finally, if you feel the need to change the border of your text box, whether to alter its color or remove it altogether, head over to the Shape Outline options. You can choose the perfect outline color, or if you prefer a minimalist look, select No Outline. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll end up with a beautifully personalized text box that complements your document or presentation perfectly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your text boxes with these easy techniques.